It could not be easier. Get any fruit you like, chop it up, let's eat it. I'm using some bananas. I've got a tangerine, kiwi, mango, some grapes and some papaya. Just chop it up, small or big, up to you. Get it in a bowl. Okay, so that's it, just chopped up really, well, I've done mine fairly small, do it how you like, and you obviously use any fruit that you want. A little bit of lemon juice here, just gonna put that on, that stops it from going brown, and alternatively you could use some orange juice or apple juice, that would do the same thing. I'm gonna give it a mix and it's done. That's it, so easy, so simple, obviously really good for you. Make sure that you wash the fruit really well. Lots of pesticides and horrible sprays on our fruit these days. So yeah, give them a nice wash, go for it, mix and blend, get it how you want, eat it every day, and you'll be beautiful just like me. See you later.